Everyone's talking about Eroxon Gel, but let's be honest, the big question is, how long does it actually last? Is it minutes, hours, or just another overhyped promise? Today, I put Eroxon Gel through a real-world duration test, and trust me, the results will absolutely shock you. If you're even thinking about trying Eroxon Gel, you need to hear this before you crack open that tube. So, here's the deal. Eroxon Gel is getting a ton of attention because it's marketed as a fast, drug-free solution for ED. Unlike Viagra or Cialis, which go through your bloodstream and take a while, Eroxon is applied directly and claims to work in about 10 minutes. But here's what no one really tells you. Speed is one thing. Duration? That's a totally different game. That's exactly what I wanted to figure out. Does Eroxon Gel just spark for a second and fade away, or can it actually hold up in the big leagues, like Viagra and Cialis? Alright, let's get into the real-world test. Here's what happened. Within minutes, literally minutes, Eroxon Gel kicked in. Fast. No waiting, no guessing. But the surprise? The effects lasted a lot longer than I expected. Now, it's not a full-day pill like Cialis, but I was seeing solid, noticeable results for over an hour and sometimes closer to 2. Here's the plot twist. It wasn't the same every single time. Application technique, timing, even your own body chemistry, all of these can make a big difference. When you stack it up against Viagra, which usually lasts 4 to 6 hours, and Cialis, which can stretch up to 36, Eroxon Gel is definitely shorter. But that on-demand power, it makes up for it. Fast, direct, and surprisingly reliable, if you know how to use it right. Now here's where most guys get tripped up. Put on too much or too little, and you can mess up the timing completely. And during my test, I actually discovered a little trick that nearly doubled the effect. Seriously, this isn't printed on the box, and most people have never even heard of it. So, does Eroxon Gel last as long as Viagra or Cialis? Not quite. But does it give you a powerful, fast, drug-free boost when you need it? Absolutely. And if you use it the right way, it might seriously surprise you with just how long it holds up. Want to know that secret application method I discovered? Hit subscribe right now, because I'm sharing it in my next video.